loyalty in unison. I, Micaela Javillanos, pledge my loyalty to my alma mater, the Leon Francisco Maramba Elementary School, which has nurtured me into what I am now, a knowledgeable, skillful, and capable person with character and personality worthy of perpetuation. I shall strive to achieve my goals in life so that you, my alma mater, can be proud of me. I further pledge my deep commitment to keep alive through my deeds and thoughts the noble ideals that my beloved alma mater stands for, the ideals of justice, integrity, and service, so that as a citizen of the Republic of the Philippines, I shall be able to participate intelligently and actively in the task of nation building and in the mission of achieving lasting peace among our